about to go off.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northwestern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts until 4:45 p.m. At 4:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ashby, Oregon, 7 miles north of Fitchburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lowell, Methuen, Fitchburg, Andover, Draken, Pepperell, Kingsborough, Groton, Lunenburg, Townsend, Shirley, Ashburnham, Dunstable, and Ashby. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts: Essex, Middlesex, and Worcester.
Alright, luckily I got that running though, because the severe thunderstorm warning was issued. Well, I had the camera off, but I had the, you know, I had the alert before I turned the radio on, or the camera on actually, sorry. Alrighty then.